Hello, and welcome to the first in a series of Siemens TIA Selection Tool tutorial videos. The purpose of this video is to give some background on TST and the example CNC system that will be used throughout the series of tutorial videos. The Siemens TIA Selection Tool is a powerful application used to help quickly and easily select, configure, and order components for automation projects. More specifically, within the machine tool industry, TST is used to select and dimension motors and drive and control systems. The goal of the TIA Selection Tool tutorial videos is to demonstrate the capabilities of TST while walking through a creation of a common CNC system example. The example system that will be the basis of each tutorial video will contain 3 interpolating axes, one for X, one for Y, and one for Z, and one spindle. The X-axis will be configured using the simple motor selection process, which requires the motor article number to be known. The Y-axis will be configured using known motor specifications. The Z-axis will be configured by inputting mechanical data and specifying traverse cycles. And finally, the spindle axis will be configured by also using the simple motor selection process. Other tutorial videos will cover topics such as selecting a desired CNC controller and configuring other components such as line modules, the DC link, PLC I/O, and drive click topology. In the next video, we will dive straight into TIA Selection Tool and start adding axes to a project.